In this short video, I'm going to talk about finger numbers and fret numbers and string numbers. This way you know, and for future videos, when I'm talking about a finger number or a fret number or string number, you know what I'm talking about. My name's Shelley Dubois. I am a singer, songwriter, recording artist, performer, and I've been doing this for over 50 years. And throughout those years, I've also been teaching guitar. And I really like to see the joy in people's faces when they get to learn how to play the guitar. On your left hand, you have finger number 1, finger number 2, finger number 3, and finger number 4. And on your frets, starting here, you have fret number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I'm not going to go any further. You can obviously just count the rest. And for your strings, you have string number 6, string number 5, string number 4, string number 3, string number 2, and string number 1. In future videos, I'll also be saying what the notes are of each of those strings. I will be referencing when I say, like, for example, the G chord. Finger number 1 goes on the 5th string in the 2nd fret. Finger number 2 goes on the 6th string in the 3rd fret. And finger number 3 goes on string number 1 in the 3rd fret. And that makes a G chord. So once again, that's finger number 1 goes on the 5th string in the 2nd fret. Finger number 2 goes on the 6th string in the 3rd fret. And finger number 3 goes on the 1st string in the 3rd fret. And you strum and you have the G chord. This was a quick video, just a reference to finger numbers, fret numbers, and string numbers. If you enjoyed this video, please like, share, and please subscribe. And I'll see you in the next video.